Let's get started. Today we will learn about some cuts of mutton and goat meat. आज हम सीखेंगे उर्दू में छोटे गोश्त के कटे हुए हिस्सों के नाम. This is a sheep. ये भेड़ है. A baby sheep is called a lamb. भेड़ के बच्चे को लेला कहते हैं. This is a goat. ये बकरा है. A baby goat is called a kid. बकरे के बच्चे को मेमना कहते हैं. This cut is called leg. ये है रान. This cut is called shank. ये है मीख वाली हड्डी. This cut is called loin. ये है पुठ का गोश्त. These cuts are called chops. ये है चांप. This is called French trimmed rack. ये है पसली का गोश्त. This cut is called shoulder. ये है दस्ती. This is ground meat and it's called mince. ये है कीमा. These are called steaks. ये है बगैर हड्डी वाला गोश्त. This cut is called neck. ये है गर्दन का गोश्त. This cut is called breast. ये है सीना. These cuts are called ribs. ये है पसली का गोश्त. This is mixed diced mutton. ये है मिला जुला गोश्त. These 5 are inner parts known as offal. इन 5 अंदरूनी हिस्सों को offal कहते हैं. This part is called head. ये है सिरी. These parts are called trotters. ये है पाय. This part is called tripe. ये है ओजरी. This part is called liver. ये है कलेजी. This part is called tongue. ये है जुबान. This part is called heart. ये है दिल. Thank you. Hope you found this video interesting and informative. We welcome your valuable feedback. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Take care. शुक्रिया. इस उम्मीद के साथ कि आपको ये वीडियो दिलचस्प लगी होगी. हम आपकी कीमती आरा के मुंतज़िर हैं. मज़ीद इस तरह की वीडियोस के लिए बराए मेहरबानी हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा.